Hello guys, I'm Carolina Diostapia and I perform a series circuit to Tinker Cut. The first step, you need to put this end to 1822 1822 I mean 25 to 21, and next is 17 13 to 17, and this terminal put this in 5 and 7, and space lagyan, give space on this, and put this terminal to negative, rather wiring this wiring to negative. And next, put this positive to this positive and go to red, and same, and this, and going to black. And to power supplies, put this on to positive, and this to negative, and go to get this red because that's negative and positive rather, and put this, and millimeter put this, and this to measure your resistance. For example, is your resistance is 6 sa terminal 3, 6, and sa terminal resistance 2 is 5, and sa resistance 1 is 4. Put this on to terminal 1, this negative, and positive to terminal 2, and start how the volt is 4.80, and stop again, and put this on to positive first terminal, and negative is this to negative to first terminal, and try rather I am wrong to put this, put yan, and start again. For negative, switch this to terminal 2 and terminal 1. and going to this terminal 2 and start. That's positive now. Moving to next, this to positive terminal 1 and this to negative for terminal 2 and start. We have 3.20, 4.0 voltage and 4.80, and for this need voltage is 12. The voltage is 12 and current 0.80. And I want to do this because 800. And that's for all of the series circuit. Thank you.